How to create product bundles in Shopify. First, log in on your account, and in the right side of your homepage, click on Products. Here you will be able to see the list of your products, and to be able to do a bundle, of course, it should be multiple. So, since I only have one, let's proceed to add the product. Now I will put a sample name for the title and the description, and you can add pictures, the pricing, the inventory, cost per item, and how it will be shipped, any variants, and if you're done, just click save. Now that I have two listings of products, let's add another one named as sample 3. Repeat the steps I did earlier, just click save. Now that I have 3 products on my list, in the left side of your screen, scroll and click Apps. In the search bar, type Bundler. It will redirect you to this page and simply select this Bundler Product Bundles. Click Add App. Once you click that, in the upper right corner of your screen, simply click Install App. Once that it is installed, you can go ahead and create a bundle. Click that and you will be able to select a bundle preset. Here, there are multiple options including the classic bundle for customers given a discount when they purchase specific products, the mix and match bundle that allow your customer to build their own bundle based on your requirements, the volume discount that gives site-wide or product-specific tiered discount when customers buy in bulk, and the sectioned mix and match bundle, a bundle where customers have to buy a number of items from each section. For now, let's go ahead and select the classic bundle. Here, we can see and change the bundle name, the title, and the description of your bundle. For example, I named the bundle 3-in-1. The title is Get a Discount for All 3 Items, and kept the description as is. Here in the total price summary, the customers will be able to see the discounted price compared to the original price. You can also change the bundle status to active in this drop-down menu. You can also put a schedule on your bundle. You can turn this on if you want to have the bundle active only for a specific time period. You can change the colors of the bundle widgets. And of course, the most important part is the discounts. You can change the percentage of the discount to whatever you like, or create a bundle with no discount at all by making it 0. You can set this discount as a fixed amount discount, set discounts on all the products, fixed bundle price, and without discount. Here, you can also give a free shipping discount on all orders. There is also an option for the bundle product level. Now let's go ahead and select products that will be in this bundle. This is the list of all my products, and we can add this to this bundle by simply ticking the box and clicking Add. Now it will show the products, and you can change the number of quantities, and you can add more products if you want. You can also set discount conditions to make the customers eligible for this discount. For me, I'll just go ahead and select Buy all products in the bundle or the classic bundle. Now, after all of that, we can simply save bundle. Now we can have a quick check to see if the bundle works in our shop. Just click this go to the product page and you will be redirected to this page. As you can see, we can navigate through this page and our product bundle is here. This is how it would look like for our customers. The discounted price is reflected there since I put 20%, I think. And I didn't put any pictures, so it looks like that. But that's pretty much it. We successfully made a Shopify bundle. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.